Hello friends, welcome back with another video, and this video is specially for one of my important friend Hans. And he told me about some time ago that to create a website from Appyn theme and add a tutorial, but I forgot it. I'm so sorry about it, and now I completed my promise. For this video I'm going to fulfill my promise, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial of Appyn theme. So thank you for your love. It's very important for me and my channel. And now go back to the theme. Here is the Appyn theme demo. I'm going to show you. It's a basically Android app theme. It's a online store of Android app. You can add your apps for free download for advertisement like AdSense, and then you can earn more from AdSense. But it's a suggestion to you. Once you uploaded your apps here, just add your own AdSense ID on the apps also to earn more from AdSense. So this one is the demo with a header section of logo, and here is the menu of categories and some kind of dark and light mood. It's beautiful. Dark and light mood is looking much better. Here is a search section with some social icons and description with title, and then here is a ad area where you can paste your ad short code, and then here is top rated app section with top rated app, and then latest apps, and then also we have a ad section here. After that we have a blog section. If you want to add your blogs, then you can add. If you don't want, then remove this section. And then we have a photographic, it's a category section, and here's games and all the things for a app store you have in this theme. With that, and we have a copyright text. Here are the man tags. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial, and here is your dashboard. As you can see here, I don't have anything in this dashboard without a single error. Okay, so go to your themes, and I'm going to activate Hello Elementor theme. Is my favorite one. So go back to dashboard, and now the error will be fixed. Yeah, that's up. So what we are going to do is we are going to upload the theme and all the sections of the theme. So for this, I then go to downloads, and here you will see the okay, where is it? So you will see here what is the okay, where is the downloaded file? I forgot. Wait a second. Okay, so let me find out. So here in the download section, as you can see here, we have Appyn theme package. Just unzip it with the WinRAR or your specific unzipper. So okay, we are going to unzip it, and then we have a folder here with Appyn API key and demo. So this one is the Appyn theme. Just double click on it to see if something is in. That's one, the theme, and here is the API keys. Okay, so you can see here we have a API key here, and then we have a demo here. So Appyn XML content demo is here. First of all, what we need to do is go to themes and then install the Appyn theme here. Click on add new, upload theme, then drag and drop this theme here and click on install now, and wait for some second to install this theme. So as you can see here, the theme is uploaded successfully. Click on activate this theme, and then you will see the theme is activated. Now go to the theme section, and here is the Appyn section. Click on it, and then you have all the settings here. So in the info we have the auto allow URL open activated, where we have to put the API of this theme. So I need to find out, but I think it's as it is, looking beautiful. So reports app to update. So click on it. Nothing, don't have any update. Channel log, documentation, tools. And as you can see here, this one is done. So now I'm going back to the dashboard to see, wow, something is happening here. Wow. So what is next? What is next? The next is the demo. How can we install the demo? Here is the demo of this. So we need to install this demo. So for importing this demo, go to tools and then import. Okay, tools and then import. You will see a WordPress section here with import page and posts. Just click on install now. This plugin will install and we will import the demo here. Okay, so click on run importer, and then you need to choose a file of your demo. So I'm going to extract this file, and you will see here is the XML file. We can drag and drop it to here and then upload file and import. Just wait for some second to import it. And here we have a import author admin or create a new user. So our author is admin. Now assign the post to the author and then download and import attachment. Just click on submit and that's it. I think after that our website is ready. Let's see what happens. So all the XML is imported. Okay, so go back to your dashboard, and now what we have is import content Google Play. So if you want to import the apps from Google Play, you need the API key of your theme. So for API key, go to panel, and now here content importer section, we need to paste the API key of our theme. So first of all, for getting the API key, go back to my website again. Okay, so here go to blogs, and then go to Appyn theme again. Now you will see the API key here. Copy this API key and paste it right there, and then click on save changes, and the API key is saved. Click on refresh, and as you can see, it's saved. I'm going to show you the website now. We have the home section, and now if we don't use the Google Play, we can add our apps manually. So for this, what we need to do is we are going to create some kind of menus. Click on menu section, and then here click on menu and create a new menu here with all the categories and pages. So we don't have any categories now of our product, so need to create some categories also. So for this we have to go to posts, categories, and then here create. Wow, we have multiple categories. Why it's not showing here? Okay, so here in the categories, click on view all and then add the categories you want. Okay, so I'm going to add these categories for demo, and then okay, go back to your website and you will see here, once I added the location of the menu to this and then refresh it, and as you can see here we have a menu here. So if you want to add footer menu also, just create the footer menu and the mobile menu. What is the mobile menu? We have mobile menu right there, and create two more menus, and then I'm just going to add this menu at both. As you can see here we have the menu here also and the here also. So this one is the for menus. Okay, so what is next. If you want to add your manually applications, go to the posts, and then in the posts categories, select the category you want to add the app. Let's suppose I'm selecting this category as app, and go to the 0 section. Now add a post in this category. If you want to add your app, let's suppose I'm going to add a demo app, and then click on publish. Okay, go back and then refresh it, click on all, and then the category is not selected, so I'm going to select the category apps. Okay, beauty, click on it and update it. Now we have okay, uncategorize is also selected, sorry, just unselect it and click on update. So we have one app in the apps section. You can see here the demo app is updated here. If you add all the categories apps, then everything will be available here. So what is next? We are going back to Appyn theme panel, and now I'm going to show you how you can change this logo. So for this, you will see the link of your logo here, and the favicon is this one. The ace is the favicon. You can upload both by clicking here and change the logos. Then these are the social links. If you want to add the social link, you can add from here and change the colors also. And then the text, this one is the top rated text, and these all are the comments sections. And then how can we change this text? Okay, so for this, go to home, and this is the text you need to change, and the title of this text are here. You can change this text from here, and here you can see we have cover images. If you want to change these cover images in the back, you can change also. And then in this section we have some categories to show on the post. Categories home, let's suppose I'm adding these two, and save changes. Now in the single post, you will see all the post single settings. As usual, we have some kind of download and what's new, all the categories boxes. And in this section we have a variant history here. You can add more than 5 variants, and the blog section here, and the colors, you can change the colors of it. You can add the sidebar in the left or right. And here is the advertisement section. Let's suppose if your website is approved from Google AdSense or any kind of other AdSense agency, you can add your ads custom links here. Okay, the custom shortcodes of your ad here in all the sections. Okay, so this was one is AMP. It's also a kind of ads section. You can add your codes of AdSense and ads here also. Here's the footer section. You can see here what we have in the footer section. 2022 alright reserve Appyn theme. So I'm going to change this text from Appyn theme to my name. So, and click on save changes. Now go to your home and refresh it to see if it's available here. You can see here the categories we selected from the home. These sections are showing everything here, and then you can see here the name of the copyright text is changed. You can also change the link from here. As you can see here, this one is the link. You can change the link to the website or any kind of your other website for a backlink. So this one was the tutorial. I hope you will like this video. If you want to add any other thing, you can ask me in comments. And one more thing, if you have an answer of the questions. Thank you so much, Mr. Hans, for asking about this theme. This one is a beautiful theme. Take care. Bye bye.